Well, I've returned to my favorite place around my home. This is Elk City State Park. Elk River State Park's only about 5 miles from our house. And it's here that dense oak and hickory woodlands meet rolling meadows, a big blue stem and Indian grass, all at this beautiful 857-acre park. It's located on the 4,500-acre Elk City Lake. The park allows quick access and features boat ramps and a swimming beach, camping, playgrounds, hiking trails. It includes the Eagle Rock Mountain Bike Trail, the Post Oak Trail, the Green Thumb Nature Trail, the Table Mound Hiking Trail, and the Osage Lowlands Hiking Trail. And nearby is the Elk River Trail, a 15-mile trail that extends from the west end of the dam here all the way out to the US 160 bridge. The wildlife is abundant here, from woodpeckers to deer to blue herons and great egrets to bald eagles. This picturesque view ranging from open prairie to wooded hills to limestone bluffs. It's a beautiful place. It's been raining for the last few days, and I know that winter's just around the corner. But today it's nice, and coming out here just to hear and listen to the water. See how it feeds the wildlife out here. Just a quick reminder, in a few weeks, Wandering Monk Hikes will become Monk's Reflections. I walked along the lake shore, saw this heron sitting, hunting for his dinner. I've learned that if I just go slowly, I don't bother them, and they'll continue on with their natural behavior. Got a really good picture of him sitting there, and then I moved to a place called Sunset Cove. There were a lot of small birds flying about. Again, if you just take your time, they will settle down and they'll come back. This robin flew up on the picnic table just right beside me. Got this picture of him. And then there were bluebirds everywhere. Some on the ground, some sitting on the shore power boxes at the RV sites, trying to figure out what the
signs meant to them. My favorite was this little blue bird sitting up on the branch of a tree.
It's sort of a quiet day out here by the lake. Not a lot of wildlife. Heron, a few small birds, but still. It's about 60 degrees out. We won't have many more of these before winter hits hard. Every opportunity I can, I want to get out here and walk along these paths. This is called the Table Mound Trail, and it's about a 3.5 mile loop. Moderate difficulty. It's not bad. Still, I'm just amazed at all these rock formations. Just the outcropping of all this old limestone rock, and such a beautiful, beautiful place on a beautiful day. And I think that's going to do it for this video, and I'll start in, head on back to the house. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. Hope you have a wonderful holidays. God bless you.